everybody, my name is Ethan Smith and I'm with paperfoldingfun.com. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fold an origami bat. I've broken this model up into two phases. This is what your model will look like after phase 1, and this is what your finished model will look like at the end of phase 2. So let's get started. This is a very simple model and all you need is one square piece of origami paper. So, to start with, fold your paper in half, bringing the bottom corner up to the top corner. Crease well. Okay, now you're going to leave that crease folded and fold this side corner of your model over to the opposite corner of your model and then unfold that. Now you're going to fold this bottom edge of your model up to about there. Crease well. Fold this top corner of your model down to where it overlaps just a little bit. Okay, and that is the end of phase 1. So you can go ahead and pause the video if you need to finish up phase 1, and you can go ahead and do that. Okay, so for everyone who paused the video, welcome back. Now, for the next thing we're going to do is fold your model in half. Just like that. Now, you're going to fold a crease from here to here, folding this edge over. Just like that. Turn your model over and repeat. Just like that. Okay? Fold this edge over like that. Turn your model over and repeat. Then you're going to fold a crease from here, folding this corner over. Turn your model over and repeat. Now unfold your model and there is your finished bat. So you can go ahead and pause the video if you need to finish up your bat. Okay, so here's your finished origami bat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and share with friends and family that you think might enjoy this. So thanks again. Also, check out my 2 origami books if you go to Amazon.com. One is called Barnyard Origami, and you can learn how to fold different models that are all based around a barnyard theme. And then also Ocean Origami, where you can fold the ocean, different animals in the ocean, in origami form. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in upcoming videos and on my website, paperfoldingfun.com. So have a good day, and keep folding. Bye!